This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make Kimchi Mandu, only way. Start by prepping kimchi, ground pork, soft tofu, green onions, garlic, and sesame oil for a well-balanced filling. Keep wrappers covered so they do not dry and work in small batches to stay organized. Seal each mandu tightly, then steam for tenderness or pan fry for a crispy finish, and serve with a tangy soy vinegar dipping sauce. Start by draining kimchi and pressing tofu to remove extra moisture. This keeps the filling firm. Combine ground pork with the prepared kimchi, tofu, green onions, minced garlic, sesame oil, and a touch of soy sauce, tasting as you go. Keep the mixture slightly chunky rather than pureed so each bite has texture. Chill briefly before filling wrappers, which helps the mixture bind and makes folding easier for neat mandu. If you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like to support more recipes and tips. Quick recommendation: the new Kindle Paperwhite is great for cooking because you can read recipes with bright contrast and long battery life, so you won't worry about messy screens near the stove. It fits comfortably on a cookbook stand and handles kitchen splashes better than most devices. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Lay a wrapper flat, place a teaspoon or tablespoon of filling in the center depending on wrapper size, and wet the edge with water. Fold into a half moon or pleat the top for a traditional look, pressing edges firmly to seal. For pan fry, fry until golden, add a splash of water, and cover to steam until cooked through. For steaming, arrange in a single layer and steam until piping hot.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.